And the first one is alarming. See, we want to wake up early in the morning, right? So that's why we keep an alarm. But we unfortunately snooze that alarm. We snooze that alarm again and again and again. This is the major problem which we face. And this is the situation of me 1 month back ago. So I want to wake up early, but I'm snoozing the alarm. So that is where I decided I should have an alarm so that I can't snooze it. So that is where I came to know about alarming. See, the main benefit of alarming is that we can't snooze alarm. No matter what happens, you click the volume button or sound button or any button, you can't snooze your alarm. If you want to turn off your alarm, you have to do some missions like to walk some distance and to click a photograph or to do some math problems. What else we need other than that? And it helped me a lot to wake up early in the morning. You can definitely try it, and it's a completely free app. And the next app which I want to share is that Notion. See, Notion is a great tool and I have been using it from June 2022. And literally it helped me a lot. And I will tell you how it helps you to do many things. For example, if you are a student, you can write down all your notes in the Notion app. And if you are any creator, you can manage all your projects in the Notion. Literally, Notion is a game-changing app for any student or any creator. So if you want to know more about Notion, I will attach the links in the description, which helped me a lot to know more about Notion, and you can check it out. And the next one is calendar. See, you might know about calendar to check the dates or to check the holidays in that month, but calendar is a great tool to manage your time, and I have been using calendar from past 1 year, I think so. It's literally a game-changing tool to manage your time, and I discussed it in my video about time management, and you can find it there. And I will tell you the main advantage of calendar is that we can plan our days so that we have a clarity that what we should do on this particular day. If you observe my calendar, on this day I marked that I have to shoot the video and I am shooting it right now. So that is the major benefit of calendar, and you can literally do many things with that calendar, and you explore the tutorials. I will attach some tutorials about calendar in the description. And the next app which I want to suggest is that Stay Focused. See, Stay Focused played an important role to remove my addiction on mobile. If you observe my screen time, it will be less than 5 hours. And the main reason for that is Stay Focused. See, the main advantage of Stay Focused is that you can block apps for that time, and you keep set timers for the app, and you can block sites which you visit. And there are so many features in the Stay Focused app. You can explore it by yourself. And I'm just suggesting this that it will help you a lot to spend less time in your mobile. If you can't install all these 5 apps, just install Stay Focused, and this will help you a lot to remove your mobile addiction, and that is what we need in the current situation. And the next app which I want to share is YouTube, and I need not to introduce yourself to YouTube because you have been watching this video on YouTube. And the main reason why I'm saying YouTube is just because everything in my life which I learned is learned in YouTube. And the one thing which I want to share is that you can find any type of content on YouTube, but we are at learning stage, right? We have to learn so many things in our life. So that can be only happen when you follow self-improvement videos and podcasts from great creators. If you are using just YouTube to see shorts or to get entertainment, then you need to upgrade that there are so many things which we'll learn from YouTube. So if you are wasting your time on YouTube, you can watch podcasts, you can watch self-improvement videos, and there are so many things which helps you to grow our life. And some of the apps which may help you a lot. And the first one is Minimalist, the second one is Pomodoro, and then Todoist, and then LinkedIn, and finally Telegram. And these are the apps which helps you a lot, and you can explore them with yourselves. And that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, it's your Hemant Krishna signing off. Bye.